Today's real heroes don't wear capes. They wear uniforms and PPEs. They carry laptops, tablets, and styluses. Let's not forget scheduling Zoom classes, asking for the cameras to be turned on and the mics to be turned off, all in an effort to simulate the perfect classroom experience. Dear students and parents, we teachers are here today to appreciate you for being our partners in this virtual teaching learning experience. We extend a warm welcome to Founder Trustee Shri Suresh Bhai Oza, Managing Trustee Shri Jairaj Thakkar, Trustees Srimati Urvashi Thakkar, Shri Jayesh Thakkar, Srimati Shivangi Thakkar, Shri Sujay Jairaj and Srimati Neenal Thakkar, Senior Advisor Srimati Josephine Vaz, Principal Srimati Zeenat Bhojaboy and team, Head of Jamnabai Narsi International School Srimati Jasmine Madani and team, Principal JNS Gift City Srimati Anupama Singh and team, Jamnabai Narsi PTA Vice Chairperson Shri Manan Doshi and team, Jamnabai Narsi School Gift City PTA Vice Chairperson Srimati Shraddha Jain and team, NIA President Ms. Atashi Patel and team, parents, students and my dear colleagues. We will now be led in prayer by the teachers of JNS Gift City.
मासूम बच्चे लगते हैं कितने प्यारे जैसे फूलों के बगीचे। हे ईश्वर तू है महान, हम तो है तेरी संतान। दे दे हमको थोड़ी शक्ति, दे दे हमको थोड़ा ज्ञान। पर्वत और बादल, लहराती ये नदियाँ, ये पंछी गुनगुनाते, ये धरती और दरिया। हे ईश्वर तू है महान, हम तो है तेरी संतान। दे दे हमको थोड़ी शक्ति, दे दे हमको थोड़ा ज्ञान। हमें बनाया, तूने हमें सवारा, रहे तेरी कृपा हमेशा, तू ही सब कुछ है हमारा। हे ईश्वर तू है महान, हम तो है तेरी संतान। दे दे हमको थोड़ी शक्ति, दे दे हमको थोड़ा ज्ञान। दे दे हमको थोड़ी शक्ति, दे दे हमको थोड़ा ज्ञान।
I request Managing Trustee Shri Jairaj Thakkar to address us.
Good morning and happy Teachers' Day to all of you. I would like to share with you a mantra to be happy and peaceful and especially in this situation of COVID-19. Your kindness might be treated as weakness, still be kind. Your help might be unnoticed, still be helpful. The good you do today, they might forget tomorrow, still be good. It is not for them, it is for your own human self and inner peace. Friends, recently our HR department has sent Bhagavad Gita in one sentence per chapter to all of you. I request all of you to read that because there is a lot to learn. For example, wrong thinking is the only problem in life. Selflessness is the only way to progress and prosperity, and so on and so on. Friends, first of all, I would like to appreciate the work you all have done, teaching and non-teaching staff from home. I remember in end of March when lockdown was declared and we decided to start online from 1st April, we could do that because of your confidence and wonderful teamwork. In all the curriculums, our results are very good, and also at JNS Gift, the first batch appeared for 10th ICSE and have done very well. The credit goes to all of you for helping and guiding the students throughout the year. Here I would like to share with you that Rajvi Parikh, ISC 12th Humanities, scored 99.75%. Though officially this year it is not announced by the ICSE Council, but as per our information, she is topper in India, and that also without any outside tuition. So again I give credit to all of you for helping and guiding her. Ahan Chatwal from JNIS, 10th MYP, scored 56 out of 56 and emerged as a world topper. So congratulations once again, friends. Keep it up. About our retiring staff, we really appreciate their dedication and sincerity for last many years. We'll felicitate them when situation becomes normal and we meet in school hall. As you all know, friends, our 50th Foundation Day celebration went off very well and very good performance given by our students, followed by Hari Prasad ji and Qureshi ji. This year, looking to the situation, all the programs what we are doing is online, but we are definitely planning that if the situation is absolutely normal, we'll have sports in end of December. JNIS and JNS Gift has completed 5 successful years, and at Gift School we have also started Standard 11 ISC, and this is the first year. Our PTA at JNS and also at Gift and GNA at Mumbai is always very active and doing good work throughout the year. Though, friends, we were planning to have various events this year, of course we'll continue again online for the time being, but COVID has put brake on so many things. Once again, I wish all of you all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words of appreciation and for sharing with us the mantra to leading a happy and peaceful life. I now invite Trustee Shri Sujay Jairaj to share his thoughts with us.
Dear Jamnabai Nursery family members, at our institutions, we have always pressed on the importance of holistic development of each individual by providing quality education relevant to the physical, intellectual, social, emotional, and ethical development for each student. We have, in the last few months, faced the toughest challenges we may ever see, something unimaginable and unpredictable. And it has taught us that it is these five aspects of development that will be our pillar of strength, come any challenge now or in the future. Dear teachers, I have written a few lines which I would like to share with you. You have led by example. You have built a strong ecosystem. You have motivated and supported numerous students and in turn their families. You have sacrificed personal time on various instances so that your student can shine. You have given the students wings to fly. You have supported their dreams and turned them into reality. You have shown them how to find their own path, come any challenge or obstacle. The world is so vast and beautiful. You have contributed and been a part of the most important and memorable years in the journey of life. Here is wishing each one of you a very happy Teachers' Day and a great year ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words of encouragement and appreciation. Albert Einstein once said, "Only a life in service to others is worth living." It is with great joy and pride that we acknowledge the efforts of our retiring staff from JNS Mumbai and JNIS. Mr. Jaideep Shetty, our art teacher, has rendered 30 continuous years of service. Miss Pratibha Negi teaches Hindi. She has been in service for 14 continuous years. Ms. Neera Rao from the art department has dedicated 14 continuous years. Hindi teacher Ms. Rita Grover has served both institutes for 14 continuous years. Ms. Anita Salvi, our support staff from the preschool, has rendered 36 years of continuous service. Serving the school for 16 continuous years is security staff member Mr. Anant Kuraf. Mr. Anil Shahani from our support staff has dedicated 14 years of continuous service. Teachers took up the challenge overnight and seized all the opportunities available to deliver education at your doorstep. As a mark of appreciation, our talented students and teachers from the three schools present a musical treat. A few students of Jangabai Nasi International School will portray their gratitude towards their teachers who have helped them grow and learn throughout the years through a riveting band performance.
A teacher plants the seeds of knowledge, sprinkles them with love and care, and patiently nurtures their growth to produce tomorrow's dreams. A very good morning to one and all present here, and welcome to this auspicious day where we celebrate and portray our gratitude towards our teachers and mentors. We would like to start this event with a performance by the student band.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, अब थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही जो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
It is rightly been said that a true hero isn't measured by the size of his strength, but by the strength of his heart. We now present to you a Western vocal performance aptly titled Hero.
There's a hero if you look inside your heart. You don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer if you reach into your soul, and the sorrow that you know will melt away. With the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth that a hero lies in you. got to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you'll finally see the truth. That a hero lies in you. That a hero lies in you.
I now invite the students of JNS Grade 10 to perform a folk dance to a soulful rendition of Gurur Brahma.
खुशियाँ हैं बाहें फैलाए, आशाओं के बादल छाए, कोई उमंग है ये जिंदगी रे।
एक धरती का आंचल ओढ़े, दिल से दिल के धागे जोड़े, बांटे जहां में अपनी खुशी रे।
प्रीत की रीत सिखाते हुए झिलमिलाते हैं पर्दों पे हम,
दिलों में प्यार की ज्योति जगाते हुए आ जाओ मिलके हम तुम ये कहे। गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरुर साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरुर साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरुर साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरुर साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरुर साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
Up next is a treat not just for our ears, but for our hearts. Calling on stage a group of talented JNS teachers who will be performing melodious Hindi tunes. So sit back and let the music take over. When you need to grit your hands, do it in strength as a reminder that we are all in this together. The first song highlights the speed and courage with which you students have moved along with us step by step in creating a happy place for education in this new normal.
बार बार हम बोलो यार हाँ, अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार हाँ। हे बार बार हम बोलो यार हाँ, अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार हाँ। हे कोई हमसे जीत न पावे, चले चलो चले चलो, मिट जावे जो टकरावे, चले चलो भले घोर अंधेरा छावे, चले चलो चले चलो, कोई राह में ना थम जावे, चले चलो। टूट गई जो उंगली उठी, पांचों मिली तो बन गई मुट्ठी, एक बढ़ता ही जावे, चले चलो चले चलो, कोई कितना भी बहकावे, चले चलो कोई हमसे जीत न पावे, चले चलो चले चलो, मिट जा
learning experience. Teachers and students complement each other's effort. Today, we hope you join us in singing the next song.
हाँ यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है। हाँ यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है। हाँ यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है। हाँ यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है। तुझे अब ये दिखाना है। रोके तुझको आंधियाँ, ये ज़मीन और आसमां, पाएगा जो लक्ष्य है तेरा। लक्ष्य को हर हाल में पाना है।
उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम होती है. On that note, let us enjoy the next performance.
हो हो आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। कुछ पाने की हो आस पास, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास। आशा है, आशा है, आशा है। हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, कर दरियाओं को आर पार। आशा है, आशा है, आशा है। तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को चीर ले। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
Tough times never last. Tough people do. The next song is a reminder to each of us to keep moving forward. A shining India is just around the corner.
यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही। कितनी हसीन है ये दुनिया। ये रास्ता है कह रहा अब मुझसे, मिलने को है कोई कहीं अब तुझसे। ये रास्ता है कह रहा अब मुझसे, मिलने को है कोई कहीं अब तुझसे। यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही। जीवन गाड़ी है समय पहिया। आंसू की नदियां भी है, खुशियों की बगिया भी है। रास्ता सब तेरा ताके भैया। यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही। कितनी हसीन है ये दुनिया। दूर सारे झमेले, देख फूलों के मेले। बड़ी रंगीन है ये दुनिया।
Change is the only constant. The changing times have called for action and adaptability. Saluting the teachers and their families who have walked the path responsibly and succeeded in their endeavor. This skit in regional languages highlights this fact.
आओ बच्चों नाटक देखो, नाटक देखो, नाटक देखो। सबके साथी को भी बताओ, नाटक देखो, नाटक देखो। साथ में मम्मी पापा को बुलाओ, नाटक देखो, नाटक देखो। स्क्रीन के सामने बैठकर
लॉकडाउन की कहानी, पूर्णविराम की
जबानी।
यह कहानी है उन योद्धाओं की
जो ना डॉक्टर है, ना नर्स, ना कोई अधिकारी, जिन्हें हम गुरु, शिक्षक, सर, मैडम, टीचर कहकर बुलाते हैं।
जी हाँ, जिनका हम अक्सर क्लास में इंतजार करते हैं।
तो चलिए आज हम देखेंगे उनका लॉकडाउन का सफर।
तो सबसे पहले चलते हैं हम मिस पंड्या के घर।
આ કરુણાએ તો નાકમાં દમ કરી દીધો છે। આજકલ કોરોના के चर्चे है ज़बान पर। अच्छा,
सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
वो क्या? वाह मॉम, मजा આવી ગઈ। नो स्कूल मतलब थाई फूड, पिज्जा, पास्ता અને પાવ ભાજી। હવે તો તારી પાસે ટાઈમ જ ટાઈમ છે। બરાબર, જરા ધીમી પડ। આ જો સ્કૂલમાંથી કહેવામાં આવ્યું છે અમારે રેકોર્ડિંગ વિડિયોઝ બનાવવાના છે અને બાળકો આ રેકોર્ડિંગ વિડિયોઝ જોશે, એના પર એ લોકો ભણવાના છે। ચાલો હવે મારે રેકોર્ડિંગ માટે બેસવું જ પડશે। અરે મમ્મી, અરે તૈયાર તો થઈ જા। કેમ શું? આ વિડિયો વિદ્યાર્થીઓની સાથે તેમના મમ્મી અને પપ્પા પણ જોવાના છે, તો તમારો તો વટ પડવો જોઈએ। બરાબર, તારું કામ કર હવે તું, હું મારું રેકોર્ડિંગ કરવા બેસું છું। અહીંયા બેટા અહીંયા અમારો વિડિયો અપલોડ કેમ નથી થતો?
धीरे धीरे से वाईफाई चलेगा, धीरे धीरे से अपलोड होगा।
मैं हूं पूर्णविराम, मैं करता हूं हर पल आराम। मां सरस्वती के 4 हाथ होते हैं, उसी तरह शिक्षकों के भी 4 हाथ होते हैं। एक हाथ से दाल में तड़का लगाती है
और दूसरे हाथ से घर और बच्चे संभालती है,
तीसरे हाथ से ऑनलाइन लेसन सिखाती है
और चौथे हाथ से पीपीटी बनाती है।
तो आइए चलते हैं मिस्टर देसाई के घर।
अहो अहो, ऐकलत का?
काय झालं?
मला सुद्धा व्हिडिओ बनवून तो अपलोड करायचा आहे आणि घरात फक्त एकच लॅपटॉप आहे।
मग काय करणार? दुकाने सुद्धा बंद आहेत।
मग मी मिस्टर सानेंकडून घेऊन येऊ का?
क्या करूं क्या ना करूं ये कैसी मुश्किल हाय, कोई तो बता दे इसका हल हो मेरे भाई।
थांबा, मी जाऊन घेऊन येते।
जा बाबा जा।
आई, वाईफाय पण लागणार ना?
हो बाळा, आम्ही तर एवढे नशीबवान आहोत की आमच्या पाठीशी मॅनेजमेंट सुद्धा आहे।
तो काही प्रश्नच नाही।
म्हणूनच आमची शाळा आमच्या हृदयात वसलेली आहे।
ओ बराबर,
समजलं ना?
मैं हूं पूर्णविराम, मैं करता हूं हर पल आराम। यह वह शिक्षक है जिन्होंने अपने अंदर एक अरमान को रखा है। चौक और डस्टर को छोड़कर लैपटॉप का दामन थाम रखा है। T+T मिरेकल होता है। शिक्षक प्लस टेक्नोलॉजी मिल जाते तो चमत्कार होता है।
तो चलिए आज हम चलते हैं मिस झुनझुनवाला के घर।
बहू, छोड़ दो वो काम, तुम पर देश का भविष्य का भार है।
हाँ माँ जी, पर इस उम्र में आप घर का काम करेंगी?
बेटा, इस उम्र में आप इतना कुछ सीख रही हो, तो क्या मैं इतना भी नहीं कर सकती?
ठीक है माँ जी।
अरे मेरा वीडियो कहाँ गया? कल पूरी रात बैठकर मैंने बनाया था। ओह, रमा, बेटा रमा, देखो तो मेरा लेसन वाला वीडियो कहाँ है? क्या मुझे फिर बनाना पड़ेगा?
माँ क्या कर रही हो आप? मेरे भी सेशंस है ना माँ।
देखो तो।
तुम ही हो माता पिता, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो।
यही है, मिल गया, मिल गया। धन्यवाद बेटा, मैं बहुत खुश नसीब हूँ कि मुझे ऐसा परिवार मिला। इस लॉकडाउन में तुम सबने मेरी बहुत मदद की।
अच्छा माँ सुनो जरा, इस लॉकडाउन में टेक्नोलॉजी को सीख कर तो आप आधुनिक युग की झांसी की रानी बन गई हो।
बिल्कुल ठीक कहा तुमने।
देखा आपने, शूटिंग में कोई चीज गलत हो जाती है तो रीटेक कराते हैं, लेकिन यह शिक्षक अपने जीवन में एक ही टेक में पास हो जाते हैं। विद्यार्थियों को समझना, समझाना, उनकी उम्र को ध्यान में रखकर बड़ी से बड़ी बात वह हंसते हंसते आसानी से कहते हैं। यह शिक्षकों का सफर है, रिकॉर्डिंग से लेकर असेसमेंट तक।
कैसे? पीपीटी बनाई, असेसमेंट ली, आंसर की बनाई, वर्कशीट अपलोड की
और घर का सारा काम किया।
सिर दर्द हुआ,
गर्दन कमर अकड़ गई,
नींद उड़ गई, फिर भी मुस्कुराती हुई ऑनलाइन सेशन के लिए तैयार हुई।
लेकिन शिक्षकों ने ऑनलाइन लेसन बनाया
तो विद्यार्थियों ने उसे ग्रहण किया।
शिक्षकों ने नोट्स अपलोड की, विद्यार्थियों ने डाउनलोड करके पढ़ाई की।
स्टूडेंट्स, यह बात सच है कि विद्या परम बलम यह स्लोगन आपके सहयोग से हम सार्थक कर सके।
हमारे स्कूल की प्रेरणा का स्रोत इतना प्रबल था कि बाधाएं न जाने कहां लुप्त तो हो गई।
न थाली बजाने के लिए, न दिए जलाने के लिए, न हौसला अफजाई के लिए।
जो चुपचाप काम करता आया है देश के भविष्य के लिए, वह है
हमारे शिक्षक।
I invite NIA President Ms. Atashi Patel to address everyone.
On the occasion of Teachers' Day, it is my privilege to convey this message on behalf of the alumni and effectively on behalf of all those students who you once taught that fly today because of the wings you gave them. And who knows how high they soar as a result. As Henry Brooke Adams rightly said, teachers affect eternity. No one can tell where their influence stops. Whether it is in a classroom, a lab, a playground, or nowadays via a video platform, every interaction makes an impact, one that we can't thank you enough for. On behalf of every doctor, artist, engineer, teacher, homemaker, businessman, and many more who are where they are today because of you, I, Atashi Patel, President of the Jamnabai Nasi Alumni Association, would like to wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Atashi. Jamnabai Nursery School Gift City PTA Vice Chairperson, Srimati Shraddha Jain, will now speak to us.
Hello everyone. When we hear the word hero, few words come to our mind. These are extraordinary, sacred, different, unique, sacrifice, and patient. These would always remain in our mind and imagination. We all know these are the qualities which remain hidden within us. We want to achieve them but did not pay attention to them. In the present pandemic situation, we find our heroes in the form of doctors, police officers, and caretakers. But the hero who are behind these visible heroes still remain hidden. These are our teachers. No one can be a hero all of a sudden in one day. This is the education and teachings of those teachers which remain in our unconscious mind and encourage us to become heroes in tough time. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, I take this opportunity on the behalf of all parents and PTA members of JNS Gift City to express my gratitude and respect to all teachers. Keep guiding us and motivate us. Happy Teachers' Day.
ऐ खुदा मुझको बता तू रहता कहाँ क्या तेरा पता हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर हैं जो ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता ऐ खुदा मुझको बता तू रहता कहाँ क्या तेरा
Thank you, Ms. Shraddha. I now invite Jamnabai Narasi PTA Vice Chairperson, Shri Manan Doshi and team to take over the proceedings.
Here's wishing our lovely teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Today, I would like to present the song Teri Mitti. Please feel free to sing along as I play.
Good morning everybody. My teachers have taught me and all the ex-students of Jamnabai Nursery School to be fighters. to always look for the positive in any given situation and to make the most of what can be done. And I'm so grateful that I see the same happening with our children. Little did we know what we would only see in movies, what we thought that only happened to other countries and other people would happen around us. But it did, and it taught us a lot. Today, I'm only going to say the positive and talk about the positives that I see coming out of this situation. All of us have realized that being at home is not so bad. Being with family is fun. Doing things with family, with elders, with children is fun. Taking care of your health, eating healthy, following your passion and hobby are relaxing. And the ones leading the way, the ones that have shown us to live under the situation without any complaints, are our children. They have become truly inspirational and have adjusted to the situation without any complaints. And we have none other but you, dear teachers, all of you, to thank for the same. Dear teachers, this is proof of your teachings and guidance to our children. This is the learning that will matter to our children more than books and exams. As I see our children adjusting to this new environment, I feel happy and satisfied thinking of them to be equipped for many more challenges in life. And for that, we have to thank you. Respected trustees, Shri Jairaj Bhai, Srimati Urvashi Ben, Sujay Bhai and Meenal Ben, and the entire trust family, I thank you all for providing our teachers with all the support needed during these difficult times. We always look up to you, and rightly so. It just took one phone call for our trustees to not only allow us to start our Meals for All program, but to also sponsor the entire program. Thank you, trustees. Our PTA chairperson and head of school, Ms. Jasmine Madani, JNS principal, Ms. Zeenat Bojuboy, principal of our JNS Gift City School, Ms. Anupama Singh, senior advisor and my teacher, Ms. Jessie Vaz, Ms. Shraddha Jain, vice chairperson, Gift City PTA, the core teams and teachers of all our institutions. We wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. We are proud that our children go to these illustrious institutions and are under your guidance. We know that if our life is difficult, yours are even more, battling internet connections, travel restrictions, family responsibilities, and many such issues have been brushed aside by you to ensure that our children get the best education in the current scenario. I say this every Teachers' Day, that this is my alma mater, my school, and this school has given me everything that I need: great education, tools to fight the world, my lifelong friends, and has made me the man that I am. And I have all of you teachers to thank for the same. A simple thank you is never enough. So I say this on behalf of all the parents. Dear teachers, what you do for our children cannot be measured. A simple smile, a pat on the back is always treasured. You may lose patience, you may get angry, but every child is important to you. You are always there for whatever they want. These tiny tots will fly away one day, but what you have taught them will always stay. So teachers, on behalf of all my colleagues, all my PTA family and the entire parent body, here's wishing you all a very, very happy Teachers' Day. We miss our gathering today. We miss performing for you today. We leave you with a small thank you clip and a promise that we shall be back again soon. Thank you.
ऐ मेरे गुरु तुझे कैसे कहूँ कितना तूने एहसान किया, जब वक्त ने ठोकर मारी थी कितना तूने बलिदान दिया।
जब से ये लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ तब से हुए हैरान सभी, हम कैसे पढ़ाए बच्चों को, कैसे भेजेंगे स्कूल अभी। पर तूने हार नहीं मानी, कैसे होगा सोचा न कभी। हम घर से पढ़ाए बच्चों को, मेहनत करेंगे पूरी अभी।
तेरी टीचिंग पे मिट जावा,
कमिटमेंट पे लुट जावा,
ऐसी तेरी एफर्ट की है वैल्यू।
जो सीख आपसे मिलती है उससे ये पीढ़ी खिलती है, इसलिए हम कहते हैं थैंक यू, इसलिए हम कहते हैं लव यू।
our teachers a very, very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much.